Hello students, welcome to our digital learning with SAFCO Academy, and today in chapter 2 we are going to learn about energy by starting with the introduction. In standard 3 we learned about the uses and the importance of the 3 types of energy, and these types of energies were heat energy, sound energy, and light energy. But in these chapters today, you will learn about electrical energy. In electricity energy, you will learn about the sources, uses, and the importance of electricity in our daily lives. You will also learn the concept of optics, which includes the general properties of light energy. Okay class, let's talk about electrical energy. The sources which generate electricity are waterfalls, sunlight, wind, and fossil fuels. All these energy sources we mentioned are converted into electricity by using different energy conversion systems. These energy conversion systems include solar panels, wind turbines, and water turbines, dynamo, and fuel generators. Firstly, let's look on how we can generate electricity using waterfalls, which it is termed as hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is generated when water falls from a height to drive the water turbines, which are connected to an electric generator, converting the kinetic energy into electrical energy. Water turbines are devices which rotate when water falls on them, and in turn, the turbines generate electricity. A hydroelectric power plant uses water stored in a dam or a water reservoir. The dam is constructed in such a way that a barrier is kept to collect water. Then, water stored in the reservoir is allowed to fall on the blades of a turbine, which is connected to the shaft. The falling water on the blades of the turbine rotates the shaft, which activates a generator to produce electricity. Hydroelectricity is generated in well-engineered locations called water dams. In Tanzania, hydroelectricity is generated at Kidatu and Kihansi in Morogoro and Mtera in Iringa. Other areas where hydroelectricity is generated are Nyumba ya Mungu in Kilimanjaro, Pangani and Hale in Tanga. Both pictures show the kinds of waterfall that could be used to generate electricity. Secondly, let's see how we can generate electricity using sunlight. The electricity which is generated from sunlight energy is called solar electricity. This type of electricity is obtained from sunlight using solar panel. The panel collects the sunlight and converts it into electricity. This kind of electricity can only be produced during the daytime when there is sunlight. In order to use solar electricity, the solar panels are connected to the energy storage systems such as batteries. Thirdly, let's look on how we can generate electricity using wind. This type of electricity is generated when strong wind blows on a set of blades, forcing them to rotate. The blades are connected to wind turbines, which are connected to an electric generator. Electricity is generated when strong wind blows on the blades, which rotate turbines connected to the electric generators. A place where wind electricity is generated by many wind turbines is called a wind farm. These locations are called wind farms because the wind turbines are scattered on a large area. Some potential areas for constructing large wind farms capable for producing considerable electricity in Tanzania are Singida and Makambako. Lastly, let's look on how we can generate electricity using fossil fuels. Electricity can also be generated using fossil fuels, and these fossil fuels include coal, natural gas, petroleum, and diesel. So, when these fossil fuels are burned, they produce heat energy, and the heat energy produced is then converted into electricity using electric generators. The generators which can be used are either small or large depending on the needs. Currently, they are being replaced by generators which use cheap natural gas that is abundant in Tanzania. Examples of generators which use natural gas are found in Mtwara and at Kinyerezi in Dar es Salaam. Small electric generators use petrol to generate small-scale electricity. The generated small-scale electricity is used in schools, homes, dispensaries, conference halls, mosques, and churches. The pictures shows small and large-scale fuel electric generators which are used for generating electricity. The transmission and distribution of electricity. The electricity generated from different sources is needed to be distributed to different places, and these places are homes, industries, workshops, schools, and hospitals. And in transmission of electricity, it requires special pathways. A large national scale pathway, it is called the power grid. The pathways at small scales found in homes and science laboratories are called electric circuits. An electric circuit is a path through which electric current flows. Usually, electricity flows only if the circuit is properly connected and a switch is turned on. And lastly, let's look on the conversion of electricity into other forms of energy. The electrical energy can be converted into other forms of energy using different devices. For example, a torch can convert electrical energy of a dry cell into light energy and heat energy. We also have an electric heater which can produce heat energy when connected to an electric socket, and also an electric bell which converts electric energy into sound energy. And lastly, let's talk about the uses of electricity. Firstly, it is lightning. Electricity powers lighting system, allowing us to illuminate our homes, offices, streets, and various environments. Secondly, it is heating and cooling. Electric devices such as heaters and air conditioners use electricity to regulate temperatures in homes and in buildings. Thirdly, it is electronics. Electricity is crucial for operating electronic devices like computers, smartphones, televisions, and appliances that are integral to modern life. Fourthly, it is transportation. Electric vehicles use electricity to power their motors, and this offers a cleaner and a more sustainable alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Fifth, it is manufacturing and industry. Electricity is a primary energy source for powering machines and equipment in manufacturing and industrial process, contributing to its mass production and economic activities. And it consists of the sources of electricity, connecting wires or cables, switches, and electrical appliances or devices.